This is iPhone 8 from Softbank, and we process unlocking of this iPhone, and now I think already unlocked. Okay, we will insert this smart SIM from Philippines, and we will check if this is real unlock. Okay, at first time, once you insert any SIM except Softbank, you will receive this pop-up message, activation required. So you have to connect it to your Wi-Fi or connect it to iTunes. Okay, let's try it in iTunes. I will insert it using iTunes, plug in computer, and now you can see this installing driver. You do not have to connect it in Wi-Fi if you already connected to iTunes, because iTunes is already, this computer is already connected in internet. Okay, you see this is searching driver. Now wait for this until finish, then activation required will disappear. Okay, I think driver finish installing. Then click iTunes. This one, iTunes. Do you want to allow this computer? Just say continue, and now it is communicating to the server, and wait to the result. Okay. You can dismiss here and bottom, then trust. You have to click trust. Okay, then wait here and click continue. Then right here, now communicating to server. Okay, activation disappear. It means other SIM is accepted. As you can see now, success, your iPhone has been unlocked. Let's take a close-up. Success, your iPhone has been unlocked. That is a message from iTunes, proof that this iPhone was unlocked. iPhone 8, yes, iPhone 8, I'm sorry. Okay, if you want to unlock your iPhone, any iPhone from Softbank, iPhone 4 up to iPhone X is possible to unlock from IZONE Global, or any iPhone from worldwide. Just send us message and only send IMEI. Do not send your iPhone, only the IMEI and the correct network or carrier. Example, Softbank, and AT&T, or other network from worldwide. Okay, thank you.